If you're thinking about buying the Coolizi Cooling Ace, you may want to hold off for a few minutes because the advertising makes some impressive promises, but the reality appears to be far more complicated. The product is promoted as a portable air conditioner capable of cooling almost any space within seconds, lowering temperatures by as much as 20 degrees Fahrenheit in only 30 seconds while using very little electricity. Those claims certainly sound appealing, especially during hot summer weather, but there is little publicly available evidence to confirm that the device can consistently achieve this level of cooling. Based on the available information, the Coolizi Cooling Ace does not appear to contain the compressor or refrigeration system that makes a traditional air conditioner capable of significantly reducing room temperature. Instead, it seems to function more like a compact evaporative air cooler that blows air through a damp filter, which may provide a refreshing breeze when used nearby but is unlikely to cool an entire room in the way the advertisements suggest. Another point worth considering is the lack of independent performance testing or detailed technical specifications to support the bold marketing claims. The promotional material also raises questions, with customer testimonials that are difficult to verify and images that appear heavily edited or AI-generated. In addition, the product is frequently advertised with permanent discounts, countdown timers, and limited-time offers that create a sense of urgency even though similar promotions continue to appear. Research also shows that nearly identical devices are widely available on Chinese marketplaces such as Alibaba, AliExpress, and Temu for around $7 to $10, while the same product is often resold under different brand names, including BreezeMax, Breeza AC, Cooling Ace, and Arctic Air, for prices ranging from $70 to $90. Customer feedback across multiple platforms is mixed, with some users appreciating the personal cooling effect while many others report that it does not perform like a real air conditioner or match the dramatic advertising. Overall, if you expect the Coolizi Cooling Ace to replace a traditional AC, you may be disappointed, but if you understand it as a small personal air cooler rather than a full room cooling solution, you'll have much more realistic expectations before making a purchase.